Hello, in this question, we are asked to solve the simultaneous equations 2x minus y is equals to 3 and x squared minus xy is equals to negative 4. So let's start. Let's take this first equation, which is 2x minus y is equals to 3. Let's take y to the right side and bring 3 to the left. So on the left, we are going to have 2x minus 3 is equals to y. So basically this means that y is equals to 2x minus 3. Then we are going to take this second equation and we are going to replace or substitute the value of y with its expression of x. So we are going to take x squared minus xy is equals to negative 4, and this is the same as x squared minus x times y, and y is 2x minus 3, and you're saying this is equals to negative 4. So let's expand this. This becomes x squared minus x times 2x, that is 2x squared, negative x times negative 3, that is going to give you plus 3x is equals to negative 4. And then x squared minus 2x squared is going to give us negative x squared. We still have the plus 3x. Then let's take this negative 4 and bring it to the left side, of which it will become plus 4, and you're saying this is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and the best way, or rather the easiest way to solve this is to rewrite this middle term plus 3x. We are going to rewrite it so that it's composed of two factors or two terms. And the two terms should be such that when they are multiplied, they are going to give us negative 4x squared, and when you add them, they give us this middle term, which is 3x. So those two terms here are going to be 4x and x, and the negative is on the x, so that when you multiply these two, we get negative 4x squared, and when we add them, we get 3x. Okay. So our middle term becomes 4x minus x plus 4. On this side, we have the negative x squared. This is equals to 0. Let's take these terms in pairs. So the first pair is this, and the second pair is this. So in the first pair, the common factor is x. Let's factor that out. So when you take x outside, negative x squared divided by x, that leaves us with negative x, plus 4x divided by x will leave us with 4. And then on the second pair, there is no common factor, so we can just say the common factor is 1. So that leaves us with that pair, and this is equals to 0. Okay, so on this first term, we have negative x plus 4, and we have it again there on the second term. So let's factor it out. This is going to be negative x plus 4, and this first term divided by negative x plus 4 is going to leave us with x, plus this second term divided by negative x plus 4 will leave us with 1, and we are saying this is equals to 0. Now when you have two terms which when multiplied give you 0, means that either one of them is 0 or both of them are 0. So in this case, we are just going to say negative x plus 4 is equals to 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. Then in this case, let's just take x to the right side, of which when it goes to the right side, it becomes positive. So we are going to have 4 is equals to x, which means that x is equals to 4. Or in this other case, we take 1 to the other side and it's going to be negative. So 0 minus 1 is going to give us negative 1. So either x is 4 or x is negative 1. But remember, we still have to find the value of y. And remember that y was 2x minus 3. So let's scroll up a bit. So y is equals to 2x minus 3. So when x is 4, when x is equals to 4, then y will be equals to 2 times x, which is 4, minus 3. And this is going to give us 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. And then when x is negative 1, then y is going to be 2 times negative 1 minus 3. So this is negative 2 minus 3, and this is going to give us negative 5. So the solutions for this question are going to be x is equals to 4 when y is equals to 5, or x is equals to negative 1 when y is equals to negative 5. So those are the two solutions for this question.